Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Phone Transformer. Today I will show you how to view bookmarks on iPhone in a simple and clear way. In this video, you'll learn where bookmarks are stored and how to open them easily. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Open Safari on your iPhone by tapping the Safari app icon. This is the default web browser where bookmarks are saved and managed. Step 2. Tap the three dots, then look for the icon that looks like an open book at the bottom of the screen and tap it. If your tabs are shown at the top, the bookmarks option may appear under a three dots or lines menu, which still leads you to the same place. Step 3. Select the bookmarks tab from the menu that appears by tapping the book icon at the top of the screen. Step 4. Browse your bookmarks by scrolling through the list that shows your favorites, bookmark folders, and sometimes the reading list. Step 5. Open a bookmark by tapping on any folder to view the saved links inside, then tap the website link you want to visit. Step 6. Search for a bookmark if needed by using the search bar at the top of the bookmark screen and typing a keyword. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Phone Transformer channel for more helpful videos.